Brain Boosters! Today we learn poem on Little Chef with Big Dreams. With apron tied and spoon in hand, she rules her tiny kitchen land. Her pots and pans go clang and clink. She stirs up magic in a blink. She puts on an apron, pink and blue, and twirls around in shoes that go. I want to cook, she says out loud. I'll make the dishes that make you proud. She grabs a wooden spoon so tall and sings a little cooking song. She dreams of yummy smells and tasty treats, cupcakes, soups, and spicy meats. She mixes flour, sugar, dough, and pretends like a pro chef show. She sprinkles love in every bowl and dreams of food that warms the soul. She bake big cakes with icing high and golden pies like apple sky. She cook for friends and people too, a world of flavor in my stew. She chops with care her plastic knife, pretending like it's real life. She hums and dances, light and free, the happiest little chef you'll ever see. She makes a menu, neat and bright, with pizza stars and pasta light. She learned to cook from far and near, from every land she bring good cheer. Italian, Desi spice, she make each dish so very nice. One day she wear a tall white hat and work in kitchens where chefs chat. With sizzling pans and boiling steam, she cook the meals from every dream. Not just for fun, but with deep heart. She knows that food is its own art. To bring a smile, to fill a plate, that's the dream she celebrate. So if you see her stir with grace and flour powder on her face, just smile and say, Bon AP. This little chef's the best to be. Thank you for subscribe for more fun. Like, share and comment. Bye bye Brain Boosters.